Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley here with Learn With Me. Now let's prune my blackberry bush. As you can see, I've already gotten started here. Like, as you saw in previous updates, I had a bush that was at least 10 feet. Like, it was at least growing to that stature. But I've already started cutting some back, and I'll try to include some footage on the side to kind of show that process too. But here's what we're looking at so far, and I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit to kind of help the plant overall breathe. But first, let's take a break and grab some berries. Oh yeah, this is what you live for right here. Let's see about this one. For a second, I thought something I'd eaten off of. Again, here is an example. Like I told you, I'm going to take these off. This is what I had originally cut. See how long that is? Now, that's not necessarily the worst thing, but at the same time, you don't want your plants to be focusing on that type of growth. You want them to be making bigger and stronger berries. Like, I would love to have more berries that are a lot like this one here. Yeah, putting these grapevines over here is probably not the best idea, but we're gonna make it work. Well, we at least hope so. If not, it'll be another learning experience. Came across a great quote the other day where a guy, I think it was the guy that wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad. A quote by him was mentioned in a communications book, and he said that, like, in the discussion with the guy, he said, "Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn." So with those odds, I think we'll be okay. All right, here's another one. Don't know if I necessarily like the direction that it's heading. Actually, it seems like it's heading towards the outside. I think I might prune this back a little bit more. Like I said, I always try to do research on the topic. I've been doing like extensive research, looking at multiple different articles and stuff like that in regard to the topic, and trying to do my best about this. But at the same time, I don't mind if I make a couple damages here and there, just in the process of learning. When it comes to these plants down here, these parts I cut off, I'm actually gonna kind of divide them up and then kind of cut off some of the leaves and see if I can get them started as plants. I'll try to keep you guys updated on that as well. Another blackberry break. Ooh, this one seems like it needs to wait a bit longer. All right, we'll give you your time. This one needs a little bit more time too. All right, here's another thing right here. I think I see another berry back there, but see these that are already produced? If you can see those canes will no longer produce like more fruit. So you can actually go ahead and cut those back as well. All right, here's one in particular. There's really not much growing on it, and like the leaves are starting to turn yellow and anything. So you know that this is considered first year cane. And that's what blackberry likes to grow on. It likes to grow on canes that were produced in the first year. All right, here we go. Like before we wrap up, let's grab a few more berries. Isn't this pretty crazy, you guys? Ah, gosh, man. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm just gonna kind of wrap up with a couple things, quick notes. Make sure that your pruning shears are actually like clean and stuff like that. Make sure to wear protective clothing whenever you can, because I don't know how big of a job you're gonna have in regards to like pruning back your blackberry bush. I don't know how long you do it, but it's been since you've done it. But you want to do it at least like once or twice a year, and you can do it in the winter and you can do it during the summer. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, the only thing I didn't show in this video is that pruning the side canes, because of course I've let my blackberry bush, I keep saying bush, it's actually a plant. It's more of a vine. I keep discovering this, and I'm blowing my whole new world with gardening. I'm discovering that operates like a vine. So if it was a bush, it would just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and growing off of the same like canes and stuff like that. But since we're actually cutting those canes back every year, it makes it more of a vine. And the only thing I didn't show was the like side shoots, because of course, since I've let mine vine out and go almost to 8, 9, 10 feet, has not prioritized that. So now for the rest of summer, it should prioritize side growth, and I should be able to give you an update on that here soon. So you guys continue to have an awesome rest of your week. Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you next time. Remember, comment to let me know that you're watching. Also, you guys, like I said, if you have any questions or you have anything you want me to look at, or if you think that you have any better advice about these particular topics, please leave them in the bio. I mean, leave them in the comments, and I will follow up. I will try to look into anything that you guys talk about. If I haven't said it before, this is a Prime-Ark Freedom Blackberry. If you guys would like to support me, I have links in my bio to a newsletter that I do for music, and I have my TikTok page, and I also have a donation, buy me a coffee page if you guys are really interested in supporting the channel. But you guys, I want you to have an awesome rest of your week, and let me know if you need anything else. Stay tuned.